Choose your character. 4th degree lead. Quadrilateral. Fight.
Here's 4th degree lean. In order to throw 4th degree lean off of a platform at a height of 6.8 and a distance of 6.25 from the origin, I used the vertex and a point on the graph, that point being 2.80. I do this by using the quadratic formula y minus k equal to a quantity x minus h squared. Using the given measurements, I set up the quadratic equation as y minus 6.8 equal to a quantity x minus 6.25 quantity squared. From there, I add 6.8 to both sides, which gives me y equal to a quantity 2.8 minus 6.25 quantity squared plus 6.8. Now after that, I subtracted 6.8 and isolated a, so that a equals negative 6.8 divided by quantity 2.8 minus 6.25 quantity squared. This essentially gives us the answer of y being equal to negative 0.5713 quantity x minus 6.25 quantity squared plus 6.8. In order to find the area under the curve of this platform, we use the integral of a, with limits being from 2.8 to 9.7, so that the overall area under this curve is 31.28023403 centimeters squared. Now to find the volume, we use cylindrical shells in 2 pi xy with limits from 2.8 to 9.7, so that the overall volume is equal to 1,356.12259 centimeters cubed.
Stop. I'm King Bunt of Calculus. You shall not pass. You slept like a bitch. You play ball like a girl.
Okay, to do the 4th degree kick, you take the y minus 6.8 equals the a parentheses x minus 6.25 to the 4th degree. Then you take the point 2.80, then you take the 2.8 and put into the x. Then you get 0. Minus 6.8 equal a parentheses 2.8 minus 6.25 to the 4th degree. Then you do the arithmetic and you get the negative 6.8 equals the a to the 141.6695 after you do the 4th degree to the whole thing. Then you get a equals a negative 6.8 over 141.6625 to isolate the a. Then you simplify to the division, then you get the negative 0.02435245531. Then finally you take the okay, now you take the a value, then you go to the equation y equals a negative 0.02435245531. Then you times the quantity x minus 6.25 to the 4th degree plus 6.8. That's it. Okay, to find the area you do the A equals the integral of the limits of integration from the 2.162 to the 10.3397 using the value from the previous equation of the negative 0.024352451 times the quantity of x minus 6.25 to the fourth degree plus the 6.8. This is the graph. And then you do the calculation. Then you get the area equals the 44.47656.915. That's the area. Then you continue on then to find the volume of the shape. You do the integral of the same limits of integration. From the 2.162 to the 10.3397. This time you use the 2 pi x, something special, times the quantity of negative 0.023524531 times the quantity of x minus 6.25 to the fourth degree plus 6.8. Then you do the calculation and then you get the volume of 109.44. That's not a 100. The 596699 centimeter cubed. That's how you find the volume.